Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy with Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of a recently closed trade ID number 249. It's on TCBI. As you can see, it was in our volatility strategy, so as you likely guessed, it is another one of our proprietary strangles. They make a lot of sense in the current market conditions right now. This one returned over 83% in just 29 days. Looking at our mark-to-market dot plot, as I like to say, this one worked pretty much as they normally do, showing a little bit of a loss in the early days as time decay takes effect from day one, bounced around a bit, and then we got the big breakout from the pattern that I'll share with you in just a moment, realizing that very nice gain. Here are the particulars. The entry alert was sent out to our subscribers on September 23rd, and take a look at this chart. This was a really good setup. We had a nice Elliott wave descending triangle sitting on top of not just the support level from the triangle, but a support level that goes back all the way into April. So a long-term support level just added to the nice setup of the pattern. Then we take a look at the DMI. We like a low ADX in these strangles, indicating that we're getting to a point where the consolidation period has ended. But add on top of that, that the ADX had reached a point that had served as support going back for a few months, all meaning that this stock was likely to move in the not too distant future. And move it did. Our exit alert was sent out on October 23rd, and you can see the particulars on the breakout. We moved to the upside, and then had a little bit of a consolidation, and then started another thrust move to the upside. We could have closed it out a day sooner, but we just hadn't quite filled that gap. And if you've heard any of my recordings, you know that I'm a big believer that gaps get filled. So we gave it the extra day. It did close the gap. Looking down, the ADX had now gone above 40. It was above the positive directional indicator. It was a good time to go ahead and take the gains. Just as a comparison, this one was about average for what our subscribers in the volatility strategy realize. Usually they're about a 30 to 70% profit, so just a touch on the outside of the profit range on the high side, but are about the same time as normal in duration. Hope you found that interesting. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.